Hello, Zach. Good afternoon. Can you hear me? Okay. So yesterday we have discussed about the place value and the value of digit in numbers up to 100,000. Now, before we will continue again with our discussion, can you give me the place values of 10,000? Place
10,000,
10,000, 1,000,
100,
hundreds,
tens,
tens,
ones,
ones. Very good. Those are the place values of the 10,000s. How about 100,000, 100,000? What are the place values of 100,000?
1,000,
100,000,
100,000,
100,000. Next,
10,000,
10,000. Next,
1,000,
1,000 or thousands. And then, next of thousands. Hundreds.
hundreds,
Okay, hundreds. Next for hundreds, we have
tens,
tens. And the last one,
ones,
one. So, therefore, in 100,000, how many digit we have? Digit
6,
6. Very good. How about 10,000? How many digits?
5.
5. Very good. Okay, allow me to share my screen so that we can continue with our discussion of yesterday. Can you see teacher's screen now?
Apo,
Okay. We're done with this one yesterday. Okay, this is the place values. We have the hundreds, 100,000s, the 10,000s, 1,000s, and hundreds, tens, and ones. If we will have a 100,000. If the given is only a 10,000, okay, we will, so therefore, the place values of 10,000, like what you have said earlier, we will start at 10,000s, followed by 1,000s, and then hundreds, and tens, and the last one is the one. And then the next one. We also done with this one. Okay. As well as this one, the missing numbers. You already know this one? Okay.
Apo,
And we have here, write the number represented by each of the following of your paper. Okay, you don't need to have a paper. What are you going to do is we will just answer this activity in here. Now, the given are numbers. What are you going to do is you will answer the total. We have the first one, 50,000, followed by 2,000, and then 400 plus 70 and plus 2. So, if we will total the 50,000, 2,000, 470, and 2, what will be our answer?
52,000,
52,000,
2,472,
472. Very good. How about 90,000 plus 1,000 plus 700 plus 0? What will be our...
9,000,
Again?
91,070,
91,000
700.
700. Very good. 700. How about number 3? 80,000 plus 500 plus 20 plus 4. Okay. Find the total of this one.
85,024.
85,000. Look at this one. 500 is the next. It's just
80,000.
80,500
524.
24. Very good. The total of this one is 80,524. How about 20,000 plus 3,000 plus 400 plus 10 plus 3?
23,413.
Okay. 23,413. Very good. How about number 5, the last number?
34,000.
34,000.
34,000.
Oh, what happened to this one?
43.
40, 30. Okay. 34,043. Question? Do you have
Nothing po.
okay. Now let's proceed to this time. The number is 45,678. Now, what are you going to do is you will be the one to find the digit in a given place of value. You already know how to identify the digit in a place value, right? Okay, what is the digit in tens place? You count. We have 45,678. Okay, in tens place, what number? Again?
5.
Tens? Tens place.
10.
Okay, again, how do we, what are the place values we have if we will have 10,000? Okay, what will be our tens? Tens. Look at this number.
7.
7. Very good. 7 is our tens place. How about thousands place? Thousands. What number? 5. Very good. It's 5. How about hundreds?
6.
6. Very good. How about 10,000s place?
4.
4. Very good. How about the last one, the ones? Ones place? 8. Very good. It's 8. This is how will you identify the digit in a given place. This time, you are from digit. This time, you will find the place value of the underlying number. Okay, we have for the first one, we have 78,426. Now, 8 is the underlying number. So, what is the place value of 8? What is the
1,000.
1,000? Very good. It's thousands. How about the second one? 49,673. The underlying number is 6.
Hundreds.
Hundreds. Is hundreds. And then for the third one, We have 86,594. Now, 8 is the underlined number. What place value is that?
10,000.
10,000.
Thou-
Very good. 10,000. And we also have number 4. Okay, let me erase this one so that we can, okay. The last two number. For number 4, we have 97,428. Now, 2 is the underlined number. What place value? Tens. Very good. It's
10.
tens. Then the last one, we have the 100,000. And the underlying number is 1. What place value of this? 100,000. What is the place?
10,000.
100,000. 100,000 we have. We have 100,000. Look at the first one. 100,000 na tayo.
6 digit na yun.
6 digits. What is our
100,000.
first? 100,000. This is 100,000. Again, do not forget that
110,000.
okay, do not forget if we will be talking about 100,000, there are 6 digits on that. And then the first place value will be the 100,000. And then for the 10,000, if we will have 10,000, the first value of that is 10,000. And then there are 5 digits on. Okay. Do you have any question? Nothing?
May teacher yan, may problema din siya.
Naiintindihan
Teacher, may
ba?
problema.
Did you already understand all of the concept? The lesson we had.
Naghang ka po.
Oh, sorry. This one. Am I clear this time?
Apa.
Okay. Do you have any question?
Dating
Okay,
pa.
wala na. So, naiintindihan na yung lesson on how to identify the place values of the 10,000s and 100,000s. Now, we will discuss another lesson. This time, reading and writing numbers up to 100,000 in symbols and in words. So, therefore, we will, it will include already, we will write a words for the numbers given. Okay, now we have an example here. The Bureau of Forest Development donated 3 seedlings to each pupil in Region 2. The total number of seedlings donated was 64,821. Again, what is the total number of seedlings donated? We have 64,821.
821.
Okay, 21. Now, how do you read and write the number 64,821 in words and symbol? In word, of course, if you will read this one, okay, how will you read the number, the total number? Okay, can you read?
Apa.
Okay, can you read this one? Okay, you read.
68,000.
64.
64,821.
Okay, that is how will you read the number. This time, we will write this number in 2 words. How do we write the 64,821 in words? Okay. Now, this one, you can see here. Okay, how do we write 64,821? Okay, 60. Okay, 60 dash
4,
4,000 8,
8,
of course, 820.
21,
Okay, 20 dash 1. Do not forget if we will have it last two digit in the given, do not forget the dash. 20 dash 1 or 30 dash 1. Okay? As well as the first word, 64. Let's say, for example, this is 74. So, therefore, you will 70 dash 4. You will write the dash. But if it is 80,000, you don't need to put dash on it. It's this one lang. Ito lang yun siya. 18,000. That is how will you write the word. 18,000. Okay, this one, let's try to answer this one. Okay, but this time, you will write the missing number between the given numbers, then read these numbers. Okay, what are you going to do? You will find the missing numbers between the two numbers, and then you read after that one. Now, the given numbers are 45,456 blank. The next number is missing. Then, followed by 45,458. Now, what is the missing number? You look for the number. You have 45. You start, the number started with 45,000.
45,457.
57. Very good. Now, can you read the three numbers? Okay. Start with the first one.
45,456.
And then?
45,457.
And then the last one?
45,458.
Very good. How about number two? We have 78,890 blank, 78,892. Now, what is the missing number between that 78,890 and 78,891? What is the missing number?
78,891.
78,891. Very good. How about number three? 67,123. Then, okay, the missing number followed by the 67,125. Now, what is the missing number? Can you find the missing number?
67,124.
24. Very good. From 67,123, then 67,124, and then the last one, 67,125. Now, let's proceed to number 4. Okay, find the missing number between the number 89,542 and 89,544.
89,000.
89,000. 89,000.
50. 500.
500.
53.
43. Okay, the missing number is 89,543. Okay, how about the last number? 56,899 and 56,899. 901. What is the missing number?
56,899.
Hmm?
900.
900. Very good. It's 900. 56,900 is the missing number. Question? Did you get it?
Nothing pa.
Okay. Now this time, we will, okay, the given the numbers, what are we going to do? We will write this one in 2 words. Words yung gagawin natin. Okay, we have number 1. Okay, wait, let me, this one. Okay, how do we write 18,980 in words? How do we write 18,980? Okay, this is how will you write the 18,000? 18,000.
18.
Okay, can you see the teacher's writing? This one. Can you see this one? 18,900.
80.
900.
80.
80. Okay, this is how will you write the number. Okay, wait for a while. Let me just here. This one. Okay. Now, let's proceed to the number 2. How do we write number 2? Okay, I will just put the answer at the bottom. Okay, here. Now, how do we write 24,650? Okay, we will just 20, 20. Okay, dash.
24,000.
Okay, do not forget the dash because that is already 2 digits. 24,000
dash.
wala na,
Dash.
there's no dash na. 24 dash 20 dash 4,000. Next. What is the next number?
6.
600.
650.
50. 50. Okay, this is how will you write the number. Number in word. Did you see my writing? My text? Here? Wala. Okay, wait. Hindi nakita. Wait for a while. I will just write na lang muna. Kita na. Okay.
Nakita na.
Okay, did you already send it? Okay. Now, how about number 3? We have 56,087. Okay, how do we write this one? We will just write this one into 50. Do we need Do we need to write dash? 50 dash. Do not forget 56. What is the place value? 56,000.
56,087.
80 dash 7. Okay, this is how will you write the. How about this one? Did you already see my writing? 56,087. Okay, this is how will you write the 56,087. How about number 4? 67,924. Do you have? Okay. 60.
67.
60. Do not forget, what will be the next dash?
60
Dash.
dash 7
7.
dash 7 900
1,000.
900,000
900.
924
20.
4
Dash.
dash 4.
4. Very good. This one is your answer. Okay. How about this one? Did you already see my word?
Apa?
Okay, 60 dash 7,924. How about number 5? 79,346. How do we write this one into word? Okay, 70
dash
dash
9
9.
300
Oh, do not forget the
300
1,000. 1,000.
9,000
79,000. Next.
79,346.
340 dash 6. Okay. Here. This one. Below the 67,924. Then we have 79,346. This is how will you write the number or the figure into word. How about the last number? We have the 90,000. Okay, 90,000.
540
90,000.
9,540 dash 2.
Okay, very good. 90,540 dash
2.
2. Very good. Okay, this is your answer. The 90,542. Okay, get? Did you get it? Are we good in this? Okay.
Apa?
Let's try another example. Okay. Okay, we have here. Rewrite the numbers correctly by putting space in the correct places in column A. In column B, write the word, the number in words. Okay. Okay, I will just answer the first one. Okay. What is the arrangement of the 23,500? We need to, okay, this is the arrangement. 23,500. This is how will you write it correctly. Okay. This is how will you write correctly. And then for the second column or the column B, you need to write the figure in words. From figure 23,500, we will write that one into word. Okay, what is the for the words? 20 dash
3
oh, did not forget the dash.
20,000 23,000 500
500 on. Okay, 500. This is how will you write this is 500. Hundred. Okay, this one. 500. This is how will you write the 23,500. Okay? Question?
Nothing pa.
Okay, since we are running out of time, we will just continue this one tomorrow. And then we will after we will finish this one, we will continue to another discussion or another lesson. Okay, if you don't have any question, we can now. Okay. Bye. See you tomorrow, Zach. I hope you have
Bye-bye
learned
po.
something today. Have a nice day.
See you tomorrow po din po.